Many people are intimidated when it comes to gardening. They say, well, I don't have money, it costs too much, blah, 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 blah. 188, 188, 188. Once you get the bones to your garden, and by bones I mean perennials that come back, you can buy seeds of these and grow these seeds and grow these under $1 and add and have tons of color, tons of color. And like I say, once the season progresses and start getting hot, they're gonna mark these down too. I mean, petunias are great. Some of them don't need water, some of them do. It just depends. But like I say, you can't have a plant and think it needs no water. Just think of yourself. Would you need no water ever? So why do you expect a plant that you love and that gives you so many blooms not need water? Now, you don't have to be a slave to water. Like I said, I'm not. I did it last summer and Lord have mercy, did not like that. But you got a variety of shade plants. Can take some sun. I have those. Impatiens, these are low and they grow. They do need sun. Now these will faint. If you put them in some sun, they're gonna faint. Like I say, all kind of colors of petunia. Wonderful marigolds. You can just take marigold seeds and just throw them outside, But if you put them in a large mouse pot, a handful, and they come up packed, just like this, you have a pot. Marigolds are not fussy, and there are so many different kinds. And let me tell you, I always tell you, that's an ugly one. There's more than one plant. There's 2 plants. I separate them, and you have 2 for the price of 1. So 2 divided into $2, right? $1 each. So you're under $1. Worth it. Go buy you 2 of these. Split them up. Ain't gonna kill them. Put them in a pot. It's a whole look. Gardening is not expensive. It really isn't. And I'm gonna tell you all the tricks. All the tricks. How many in here, y'all? Count them for yourself. Can you see how many in there? 1, 2, 3. 3 plants in that one. Yes, these are easy to grow. So these are annuals. They are not going to come back. These for me, these right here, the begonia, they do come back. I got begonias coming back. They come back. Marigolds, self-seed. They'll pop up. You'll get a free plant here and there again from marigolds. Just give gardening a try. It doesn't have to be expensive. Just think of somebody walking up on your porch to this. Right there. You buy a pack of seeds of marigolds, and it's over 100 seeds. You don't have room for 100 of these. But if you did, all down your front of your porch, spectacular. Spectacular. What more do you need? $1 pack of seeds. All of this all summer. Boom. People will stop and look and say, oh, you got such a green thumb. What did you do? Threw some darn seeds out there and left them alone. Right? So gardening isn't about expense. Gardening isn't about taking up all your time and sweat and blood and tears. Gardening is fun, especially when you figure out ways to, beat the system. Okay, we can do that.